Hello Cassies, I am back for another short tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to auto-register in D2SIM without opening the app. This method can only be applied to the regular promo offers dito level up 99, 199, 299, 499, and 999. And for those users who doesn't have GCash or just buying load from retailing stores. Meaning, isang beses lang po tayo mag-o-open ng app to subscribe and then next reload, pwedeng hindi na since automatic na po. Before you can automatically register your regular load, first, make sure you are already subscribed to AutoPay, which has free 1 GB. Imbis po na 7 GB lang, magiging 8 GB pagka next nyo pong load. And once you reload, it will be automatically registered to your preferred regular promo. Example, I am going to reload dito level up 99. I will select subscribe to AutoPay. What does this mean? It means that either of these two options here is triggered, automatic po makakonvert yung regular load sa panibagong promo. Converts your balance to a regular promo. If you only have 500 MB left, automatically you will be registered. Same goes with this option, 24 hours prior expiration. After doing this step, you can proceed and buy the promo. In your next reload, you will be registered to the promo without doing it manually. Thank you for listening. Secret 50% and 30% discounted promo on Dito app. You can only avail their 25 GB promo offer in just 99 pesos and 25 GB for 139 pesos. How? Just click these banners below. Take note, you can only avail this once. Kaya kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-try nito, you are eligible to buy. Thank me later. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be updated on my next tutorials.